Hello and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're working on an LG French door refrigerator replacing the ice maker assembly. Common problems these ice makers have is the ice tray gets stuck or jammed, or water splatters into the ice bucket which causes the ice to stick together. So this is a pretty simple repair. Just take a Phillips and remove this screw, and then you have two screws at the bottom and one in the center of the ice maker housing. Other common problems for this unit is water will shoot out and spray out, and it'll actually cause the ice room to have ice at the bottom coming out the front of the door or inside the door and on the side of the internal of the ice room. So it's cheaper just to buy the whole assembly and easier than trying to replace the ice maker. If you need a part number, just leave your model number in the description below and I'll look into it to make sure you get the correct ice maker, because each ice maker is different and the last two digits of the model number does make a difference. So once all the screws are removed, you're going to put your hand kind of where the ice falls and kind of grip it and pull up on the ice assembly and out at the bottom. As you'll see, it slides down, and once you slide it down enough, you'll take a flathead and just press in on the clip as you remove the harness. And this is why I recommend just replacing the whole assembly. Like I said, it's about the same price and less work and way easier to install. Some reason this tray got jammed. Every time I hit the test button it would not turn, so that's why we end up replacing the assembly. So here's the new assembly. Okay, let's install the new assembly. So the first thing you want to do first is install the harness. Make sure you have a good hold on the ice maker when you install the harness. You do not want a lot of tension on the harness. You want to slide up first, and then on the right hand side it'll have like a rubberish feel, so it'll have to be kind of pressed in. You'll kind of see, but when you do press this in, you do not want to press in with the ice tray. Just a moment, I'll show you. And obviously the water has to go into the clear tube in there. That's where the water comes into the ice maker. But the most important, when I press up, I do not press up on the ice tray. I make sure I press up on the side where it has the support right there. That's where I press. And gently just press up and be patient. And then you're going to click the bottom part in. You have to make sure the screws, or the holes are aligned with the screw holes. So all you're going to do, reinstall the 3 screws, the 2 at the bottom and the 1 at the middle, as you can see. If you install these screws and your screw is starting to turn or go sideways, that means that you're not aligned. So just to readjust the assembly and make sure the screws go straight down. Just make sure they're snug. I recommend just a hand tool, not a drill, to strip the holes. And this is a top screw. This aligns or realigns the ice maker. I've been to a couple jobs where the complaint was the ice tray would get stuck. And a lot of times you just have to snug this screw down to align the ice tray. If the ice maker is not aligned, then when the tray twists, it will get stuck. So make sure this one is obviously installed straight but snugged, but not too tight, but snugged enough to align the ice maker, because it has to be, the tray has to be straight across. Okay, plug in the unit, turn the ice maker on, and then we're going to hit the test button to activate to make sure everything works right. Right there's your test button. You hold it 1-2 seconds, and then the ice maker will turn and twist and then fill with water. This is a good way to make sure that you have the ice maker aligned correctly, and when the water comes out, it's not spraying all over the place. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you and have a good day.